everyone, and welcome to my review of the Staples Arc Punch that I recently purchased from Amazon. And I've been using it for several months now, and I wanted to take a moment to provide a detailed review for anyone else also interested in purchasing this product. When I received the item, I was initially surprised by the sheer weight of the punch. But it is reassuring, it's obviously very sturdy and it feels like it's really built to last. So I purchased the item as I'd already purchased the Arc Planner system and wanted to add some of my own pages using printables, so I needed a punch to do so. Now the punch is really easy to use. If you see on the top, it locks in place when it's not in use, so if you unlock it, it then comes up a lot further. And if you push it down, you can re-lock it, and then it is a lot more compact and easier to store. So it's also got several size settings, which you can see on this bar here. So you can use it for A5, pull it out, A4, half letter, which I believe they call junior, and also letter size paper. So if you've got a variety of disc-bound planners, it can be used for all of them, which is really convenient. So if I show you how to use it, unlock it first. So I use A4 sheets of paper because I'm in the UK. So there's a little notch, I'll show you, on here that you need to line up with the measurements. If you can see that. So yeah, see where it's pointing to the A4, which is what size paper this is. So you push it up against this guide and then push down. It's really easy to use, it's very strong, so I don't think it would ever break. I've used it for quite some time now and it's still as good as when I bought it. And there you go, there's all the little mushroom shaped holes. So obviously that's really easy just to change the size settings. You just pull this bar forwards and backwards and it obviously makes the page size smaller. It's nice as well, unlike some of the other punches for other size planners, the bit tends to be sticking out and you can catch it, but with this one, even on the largest setting, it's still inside of the punch. So I really like how you can punch up to 8 sheets of paper at a time. The other punch that I have that also does mushroom holes can only do up to 3 sheets and it often gets jammed, which the Arc Punch doesn't, which is really good. It's also really strong and easy to use with the pull-out guide. The only slightly negative thing about it is the weight, but then this is also a positive as it shows how sturdy it is. You wouldn't be able to carry it around with you very easily because it's really heavy, but then you wouldn't want to do that with a punch anyway, so that's not really an issue. There's also a tray that you just pull out at the bottom, which is where your little punch is going, which is really easy to empty. Obviously that comes all the way out, then you can pop it in the bin. And that just slides back in. So in conclusion, I'm really impressed with the Arc Discbound Punch. It's become a really useful piece of my planner kit and I highly recommend it for anyone looking to personalise their planner a bit by adding their own pages. So I would rate the Arc Punch a solid 4.5 out of 5. Thank you for watching.